Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best commuter bike that you can buy today. The ideal commuting bike for you depends heavily upon the nature of your commute. Are the roads smooth? Will it include a spin down your local bike path, or combine a stint on public transport? Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing commuter bikes. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best commuter bike, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Schwinn Stites Fixie. The Fixie bike is a fixed gear bike that includes a few different approaches for an economical fixed gear. This bike manages to include a noticeable different frame design and more unique brake choice as well. Its frame and fork gives a responsive and a reliable ride. The frame is forged from steel, along with a handlebar, stem, seat post, and even the pedals. Schwinn Urban Seat and Urban Grips offer added comfort at key touch points, not to mention a touch of sleek urban style. The bike saddle adds comfort at key touch points, and is a good match for the handlebars complete with urban grips. This helps create the typical bike-oriented riding position, but with just enough angling for a more relaxed stance when seated. Dual alloyed caliper brakes are operated to offer crisp all conditions. The tires are paired with super high-profile alloy rims which offers stability and durability. And at number 4 is the Royce Union RMX. Royce Union RMX 700T hybrid bike is a great utility bike for daily commuting. The RMX is ideal for riding around town, commuting, and exercise. It features a beautiful metallic red with clear coat paint job. It has a front suspension fork, which smooths out the ride. It also features Shimano Altus derailleurs, ships seamlessly through 21 gears, and you also have the option of choosing a 7-speed freewheel. This is a very versatile bike. The wheels are 700C alloy rims with all-terrain tread on the tires. The tires are Kenda brand and feature a durable tread so you can ride on various terrains. One of the most important features of this bike is the saddle. It is a premium, richly padded saddle with dual springs, which is ergonomically designed for real comfort. You also get soft Kraton grips. The bike also has comfortable pedals. It's a very comfortable bike. The bike is also lightweight and easy to handle. The third product on our list is the ANCHEER 300 and 5500 Duo electric bike. If you are on a tight budget, the ANCHEER Pro electric bike is an absolute bargain. The build quality is actually not that bad. The 6061 aluminum frame looks good, and the paint finish is nice. The forks are very basic, but they should stand up to road surface lumps and bumps. The 21 gears work well and use budget Shimano thumb shifters. As long as you are aware of this bike's limitations and its budget components, then you can't go far wrong. I would not advise to take this bike for some serious off-road riding though, as I don't believe it would stand up to much abuse. But for an A to B commuter bike, it is perfect. The electric motor and battery are water-resistant but not waterproof. You can ride it in the rain, but I would not advise riding through fords or deep puddles. Another plus is that the ANCHEER uses a lot of generic electric bike parts, so there shouldn't be a problem sourcing components. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Vivi electric bike. This stylish road e-bike's folding model by Vivi features a 350-watt motor power and 36-volt 8-amp-hour battery. It has a 40 km range and charging time of 6 hours. The bike can also top max speeds of 25 km and has a Shimano 7-speed transmission gear system. For electronic assistance, this bike brings 3 working modes to ride with and has front and disc brakes for stopping power. It additionally uses a front fork for shock absorption and has a 20-wheel-inch size. Design-wise, the model has a waterproof display as well as adjustable handlebars and bright headlights to use the bike at night. It has an attractive modern design and can travel a great range off a single charge thanks to its powerful battery. We like this folding bike due to its extra features included too, such as its headlights, which are great for daily commutes and adjustability, allowing the e-bike to be ridden comfortably by any user. The best commuter bike is the ANCHEER folding electric bike. I really appreciate the extra accessories on the ANCHEER that allow you to ride comfortably in the dark. The bike comes with a loud horn, as well as a bright LED headlight which guarantee that you can ride safely and comfortably in lowly illuminated environments. The two working modes on the bike offer the luxury of relaxing during the ride and getting to work whenever you feel like. This actually helps to make the ride more adventurous and breaks the monotony of doing the same thing over and over. I also like the design of the bike. It has a nice geometry, starting from the low frame to the mid-curve handlebar and the comfortable saddle. This offers you a comfortable ride with good posture. The foldability of the bike is another feature that enhances its convenience. You can easily throw it inside your car trunk, and this protects your bike from potential vandals and thieves. Aside from a few issues like the weight and lack of fenders, this e-bike feels like an amazing acquisition for any bike enthusiast. If you have the money to spare, it shouldn't be a tough decision to get your hands on this amazing machine. The team at ANCHEER did a great job on this folding electric bike. It has a sturdy frame and strong battery with the ability to take you on a fun outdoor adventure. Those looking for a bike for their daily commute or simply to enjoy a day on the trail will appreciate the features on the ANCHEER bike. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.